Today, so we just got this in. I just bought this here locally, and it's basically a turn of the century, maybe 1905 to 1925 Mills drop card machine. So when we got it in, we did a full service and detail as always. It come out really nice. Somebody did a full restoration. It's been refinished, it's been chromed, it works good. As well as in the very beginning, these were crank, okay, and they had a crank system in them with a spring. And this one has been electrified, and they did a really nice job on it. So as you see, it's got a light. The beauty of this one is it has a nice original set of drop cards that are the 1906 earthquake. That was really popular after the earthquake. They put a lot of that 06 drop card stuff around the country because the earthquake was absolutely huge. They also did some Charlie Chaplin in the early days, some fighters, boxing, etc. But this is a really cool machine, and the San Francisco earthquake cards are one of the most popular. So as you see, it's got a light, it's got a nice marquee, it's cast iron, refinished, everything looks good, works good, is good. So it's kind of cool. This light is wired separately so that you could leave it on at all times. And then when you put a dime in this, here we go, right? Boom. Okay, the machine is taken off now, and as you see, the front lights up. Here we have where the cash box is, as well as it has nice original cast iron cash box in it. Very, very cool. Super clean machine. These are really, really nice night lights, as well as fun for everybody to play. Come on up, Jeff. We'll show them what it looks like inside, as well as the drop cards. So as you see in here, and these are in color, so this has a really nice set of in color 1906, and on the drop cards it states at the bottom of it what the picture is of. I mean, it's like this was the, you know, the First National Bank, right? So very, very cool piece, works good, lights up. It's gonna look great in your home or game room. These are, you know, this is that turn of the century. It's all oak, quarter sawn oak. Just a really, really cool machine. Be fun for your friends and family, as well as it's a night asset. So as always, make sure, you know, we're doing restorations. If you'd like something like this done, we can do that for you. Just give us a buzz. We make it one-stop shop. We'll get it picked up. We'll get it in here. We'll get it restored. We'll get it back to you. It couldn't be any easier. People are doing it regular now. They just love it. Just one phone call, boom, it gets done. Anyway, here's a nice drop card machine. It's ready to go. We can do blanket wrap shipping. We're always just getting the guys to come out and do white glove blanket wrap. That way, it's really the way to go. We've been using it a lot, and it works very well. So anyway, this is all ready to go. So if you get with Mr. Walker, we'll get this sold to you and get it shipped out. And thank you for watching.
All right, my Bay Area guys, if you guys let this thing go to Colorado Springs, shame on you.
These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.